As you can see, we have another day and we are going. We are going. It's basically 6:30 a.m. It was snowing last night. Crazy. Come on, okay. And today I want to arrive to this company in Poland. Today I want to arrive at least to Poland, you know. But we will see what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to snow somewhere in Austria. We have something like 470 or 500 kilometers to Czechia. Which is a lot, you know, if you will ask me, it is a lot. Okay, let's join the highway. Finally. I'm driving and I have something like 30 kilometers to Austria again. And we have basically winter in this part of Germany. Yes, I don't like it. But later on in Austria and in Czechia, I think it's going to be normal again. Spring, yeah? Like normal weather, sun, normal language. As you can see, we have amazing view of this mountain and some clouds, you know, below this mountain and even above this mountain. Yeah. I have probably 10 kilometers to Austria. Probably. Yeah, we are trying to brake, driving downhill. It's something like 4 degrees outside. It's kinda raining and snowing at the same time. I don't know how it is possible, but it is. It looks amazing. It looks like from a movie, you know? Holy shit. Just look at this. Yeah, those clouds, you know, like up there and down here. What? It's crazy. Oh my god, we are constantly driving downhill. I still have something like 400 kilometers to Czechia, but I don't know how I'm supposed to approach like the last part of Austria. Basically, I will go like very close to Vienna, and then we have like few roads, yeah, because we have some country roads that are going to Czechia, and then we can use country roads in Czechia to get to Brno, or we can use like more express roads and highways, but it's going to be more kilometers, yeah. But obviously on country roads we might lose some time, yeah, because, you know, speed cameras, traffic lights, roughly speaking traffic, yeah. So I don't know, it's very hard to say. Later on I will just call to my company and I will tell them to check, okay, like check for me what is better, because they have those, you know, software programs to basically check roads, yeah, for drivers, so they can do it. Yes, that's the border with Austria. Yeah, Germans, they have a control here, obviously. And we are driving probably just like that. Yeah. We don't have to stop. I don't know why he's stopping, but anyway, we are just driving. Welcome to Austria. Welcome. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so just like that, we are almost in Czechia. Yes. I was not recording a lot in Austria because there is not much to record, okay? Except mountains. Oh my god, finally. Yes, fast forward, we are just entering Czechia, you know, that's it. Oh my god. We have 10 degrees outside. It's kinda windy, you know, it is windy. And finally Czechia. I'm sick of Austria, okay? I'm just sick of it. Come on, let's just go. I will drive probably to city of Brno, and I will just park for a break and I will take a shower. Yeah. Look at this. Schengen experience. Czechia Republika. It's so crazy that on country road from Austria to Czechia you have better Schengen experience than, for example, driving on the highway from Austria to Germany. Yeah, it's crazy. Just the road is not better, but you know. Oh, we can like be quiet about the tarmac, yeah? It's understandable. Vignette. Oh, okay. How many kilometers I have to my parking with shower? Let's see. It would be nice to see, yeah? Obviously we have some traffic in the city of Brno, but it is understandable. Because they are basically reshaping the entire crossing section. Intersection. Come on. Okay, I forgot that my phone is basically switching between Austria and Czechia, so for the moment we don't have internet. Oh, look at this, sexy girls, you know, striptease show. If someone is interested, you know, in that kind of activity. Here we have nightclub, you know, very nice, very nice. And here we have a church. As you can see, we have a traffic jam. And that's the traffic jam in Brno. City of Brno. I don't know, maybe I will let him go. But he's driving slowly, yeah. The truck is from Germany, but the trailer is from Lithuania, so it is basically LT driver driving 80 per hour, yeah. I have just 4 kilometers to my parking. Less than 4, 3.6. Oh, I will take a break, I will take a shower, I will grab a coffee, and we are driving to Poland. The weather is just disgusting. Disgusting. Oh my god. As you can see, I was parked at this parking. I took a shower. And we have a blue sky. Like, look at this blue sky. Oh my god. And we are going. I have 230 kilometers to this company. But unfortunately, I have to park somewhere on the highway because I won't be able to park at the area of the company. It is forbidden. So I don't know, like I will park somewhere in Poland. It will be yeah, it will be 5 p.m. or 5:30, so I will still find a place, no problems. Oh, we have a beautiful traffic jam. Ah, beautiful stau in Czechia. Yes. Look at this. They finally made this new highway that is going to Ostrava. Number 1, because last time I was going there and I had to go through the city. Yeah, I will show you. Give me a moment. Look at this. Prerov? Yeah, Prerov city. It's going around the city, you know, and like few weeks ago I had to go basically using the city roads. So Czechia, you know, progress, you know, like that's what I call progress, okay? And what we are going to do, we are going to overtake tank trailer. That's my hobby, you know, that's my day-to-day activity, overtaking tank trailers, yeah. Let's just do it. Yeah, brand new highway, nice. And we are driving. I have 158 kilometers to this company. It's very windy, probably you can hear, it's very windy. And I will have to park somewhere. Yeah, we have some kind of parking places, yeah. Like 120 kilometers, 140. Yeah, we have something. Unloading is scheduled for tomorrow, 10 a.m. so I can wake up at 8 a.m, you know, like no problem. It's basically 5 p.m. and I'm entering Poland. And I still have 1 hour and 30 minutes of driving time left. Crazy, you know, that was crazy. A lot of kilometers, something like 750 or 770 kilometers. Not here, but you know, to the company. And to the company we have still 50 kilometers, yeah, like 56 kilometers. So holy shit, it was like crazy ride, yeah. Damn. Welcome to Poland. Ja, Rzeczypospolita Polska, granica państwa, opłaty drogowe. Yes, speed limits. Okay, what about my parking? 25 kilometers. Yes. Let's put Navi to this parking. And let's go. 25 kilometers. Okay. As you can see, I have parked. Yes. Look at this. Very nice. It is not a typical parking place, and I could park normally, but I have frigo, you know, and my frigo maybe will turn on at night, and many people, they don't like the sound of generator, yeah, in the middle of the night. So, you know, I parked here, yeah, because the truck will fit, you know, I'm disturbing no one. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Just basically 5:40, almost 5:40. Okay. Hello and welcome. Another day, Wednesday. I have just 30 kilometers to the company. Oh, it's 8:40 a.m. And you probably noticed that I'm parked in a different position, you know, like, what? I was back there, yeah, parked, but those places here were empty, so I just moved, you know, slowly here, without touching my tacho. Like, it's possible, yeah, so why not? And right now, let's just go. Oh, look at this washing machine, it's nice. Yes, let's go. I will arrive there something like 9:10, 9:15 a.m. and hopefully they will unload me before 10 a.m. because the scheduled unloading is for 10 a.m. Oh my god, that's such a traffic, you know, on this lane. Like, what are you doing? Ah, dankeschön. And if you are about to write a comment about seatbelts, I have my seatbelts, yeah, okay, I have it. Okay, so that's the company. Yes, that's the company. Okay. I will just figure out how to enter, where is office, and probably I will wait, because you are always waiting. Okay, so what is happening? I'm empty and we are going to Volvo service. Yes, because I have to buy a gas cap for my fuel tank. Why? Because at night, on normal highway parking, someone tried to basically steal my diesel, you know, and he destroyed this gas cap completely. I will show you a picture, or maybe I will show you a footage, you know, later on. Probably I will show you the footage. So I have to buy a new one, obviously using a company card, and the second driver will be there at this Volvo truck center. He will wait for me to basically take this truck later, and I will take a normal car and I will just drive to my company. Yeah, 200 kilometers to my company, and I will take my private car and I will go home. That's the plan. Okay, so look at this. It was like that, you know, when I woke up. Like, it is basically in pieces. Look, and some pieces are right there inside. And I have some kind of, you know, wire mesh, yeah, inside, so they are not able to steal the diesel, but they were able to destroy the cap, you know.